Yo guys, it's Shunka here, back with another video. Hope you guys are doing well and safe. You guys enjoyed the last review that I did with the fake AirPods, so I decided to do another review on another set of AirPods that I brought. These are the JOYROOM wireless earphones. Now they come with the earbuds as well as the wireless charge. So in today's video we're going to be looking at a few things similar to what we did on the previous review. We're going to be looking at the sound, the bass, how compatible it is with either an Android or iOS, the durability as well as the charge of the JOYROOM AirPods. Believe it or not, I picked it up for £20. If you want to buy the AirPods, they're in the link in the description, joyroom.com. So yeah, as you can see, here's the box. The JOYROOM Make Choice Be Simple. It's the model number is JR-TL8. As previous on the other AirPods, it is premium quality, real standard 100% since 2009. Okay, and at the bottom you've got IPX5, which is waterproof, sweatproof and dustproof. Also the CVC intelligent noise reduction, which we will be looking at, the latest version 5.0, 500 mAh battery, as well as a 3.5 hour playtime. Intelligent touch, light touch. We'll be looking at that, guys, on the side. Here's more information. Yeah, so here's what they look like on the back. So that's it's a matte black finish as well as a gloss black on the outside, as well as the inside and the interior of the case. You've got the same information as displayed on the front of the box, on the back of the box. So there, and you also got more information on the side of the box when it comes to more specs. For example, the speaker is 10mm, it's 3 hours lasting, it's got the latest versions of Bluetooth. I mean, it is fairly simple. You've got also included a Type-C charging port as well as a Type-C USB. So what we'll do is we'll open this, guys. First time opening up, guys. I mean, I've not opened it up before, so we'll put it inside there. There's only a few items. Let's have a look if there's any items in the back of the. Yeah, so you've got your instructions manual. The manual is also in Chinese as well as English. I think it's Chinese because it does say it's made in China. And yeah, you've only just got three things: the AirPods. I'm hoping the earphones are in here, but you've got the AirPods, earphones, whatever it is, because it's advertised as earbuds on the website. You've also got the Type-C USB charger, which is provided, which is great because these are the most common and most efficient chargers that are out there. Pop that back in there. I don't think it does wireless charge, but we'll look into it. Oh, here's the instruction manual before we get into the actual device. It's a little 3D printout on what it is. I mean, we'll go into the English side. You've got your touch area, you've got your audio out, charging contact, a microphone, charging case, charging indicator and charging port. I don't think it is wireless charge with like the previous AirPods. Got more information on the pairing, but yeah, we're going to be doing that on iOS and we're going to be doing that on Android to be looking at more in-depth, see which one's better to buy with. I'll put that to a side. I mean, the case is pretty, it's a standard weight. I mean, it's not too heavy. You've got the USB Type-C, but you've also got an LED light to signify that it's turned on. I like the matte black finish on it, guys. I like it, the JOYROOM logo. I mean, it is £20 for this. That's excluding delivery, but yeah. You've also got the model number, as well as the earphone capacity and the recharge capacity. Made in China with a couple of trademarks on. So that is the outside of the box. I mean, it is very simple. So yeah, once we open it up, we've got like a gloss finish inside in the interior, which is great. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, if you have a look at that there, left and right, and you've got the gloss interior there and the matte black on the outside. That's amazing, guys. I enjoy it. I like that design. Nice and sleek design. And you've got the earphones here. I mean, they are very similar. The first earphones Apple released, the iPhone 5 ones. So yeah, I mean, they look pretty. I like the matte black finish on the outside as well as the inside. It's got a glossy black, as you can see, nice glossy finish. You've got your sensors there. You've got the mesh on the outside for the sound quality, as well as the charging port, that's for the charge. But yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to listen to some music, we're going to compare it with the iPhone as well as the Android. So we'll put these back in and we'll go grab the headphone. So I'm just going to find out whether it's whether it supports wireless charger, because it doesn't say on the website. It's not really shown on the website or anything like that. So I'm gonna go grab the power bank. So yeah, here's the power bank. Click it once to turn it on for charge, and then normally it would flash orange. So I mean, it doesn't support wireless charge because it's just a plain white light, which is not a problem. I mean, you can always just use USB Type-C charger to support it, to get it charged up. Like for example, I'll show you guys now. If I connect that to the port there, you see it flashes orange. That means it is charging, guys. Just so you know, it's a little heads up for you. That is my power bank, guys. I've done a video on this. It is really strong power bank. It's not let me down once. I use it a lot because I go on hikes, I go on do a bit of camping, I do a bit of long walks, and for car journeys as well, for long road trips. But this has never let me down once. I've had it nearly for a year now. So yeah, check the video out, guys, for this. It's an amazing power bank and I recommend it. So moving on, guys, we've got the same again. We've got the iPhone X, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is the phone I currently use. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the accessibility on both devices. Now we're going to start off with the Samsung Galaxy S10, so we're going to put the iPhone to the side. What we're going to do is we're going to be looking at how easy it is for it to connect and what sort of settings provided on the JOYROOM earphones, whatever it's called. But yeah, so we've opened it up, right, as you can see the AirPlus Pro ZTs. If you haven't checked that video out, guys, make sure you check it out. So to connect the JOYROOM earbuds, you need to take one earphone out, place it into your ear. For some reason it's not connecting. I'm gonna try it with both headphones, guys. See, that's a bit of a problem I encountered. So it's connected. It's got it tells you the battery life, but let me go onto the battery. So you need to activate. Okay, for services as well. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with the battery. So if you go into devices and we click on JOYROOM. So yeah, we've got a brief background of what it is. Device settings. Hang on, we'll have a look at on the Play Store where there is a JOYROOM website. So if you go to JOYROOM, see that there isn't anything available for JOYROOM. So all we have is the basic settings of just volume and the battery life and whether it's connected or not. That's on the Samsung device. It's similar to the Airpods that we did a review on. So if we go on to the Amazon Music, nah, that's not my cup of tea, to be honest with you. To be honest with you, I'm just gonna listen to it again one sec. The bass is all off. There's no bass. No, to be honest with you, that quality is, it's like a 3 and 4 out of 10. It's a thumbs down for me. So if JOYROOM are watching this, I mean, they need to sort this out. It's not the best, but I mean, if you are on a budget, if you are really broke and you want to buy this, then I guess it's better than nothing. It comes with a wireless box as well, so you can charge. I mean, it isn't the best. I wouldn't really recommend it. But what we'll do is as well, we'll put the Samsung Galaxy S10 to a side, and we're going to be connecting it. Well, first we'll disconnect it, but yeah, we're going to be connecting it to the iPhone X. So guys, I've got the iPhone X. So what I'm going to do is with the JOYROOM earphones, you have to put them in ear for them to connect. So I'm going to do that now. Now, as you put them in your ear, it's not really that comfortable, and you can hear like a silent sound. I mean, it's quite annoying, but let's just get on with it. Okay, so we are connected. All we can do on the iPhone X is just change the name. There's no options for background noise. There's no options for transparency or anything like that. So we'll go on to Spotify on this one, and we're going to be just checking out the quality of it. So we're going to have a quick listen to this track, and also we're going to test out whether it works with the touch sensor. If you want to pause, or if you want to continue the track, you double tap, and you double tap to pause, and you double tap to play. Now that is a bit weird. That's something that I'd have to get used to if I were to use this device. Also, if you wanted to skip track, you have to use your right hand, well, it'll be on this side, but use your right hand to hold onto the right button and it'll skip that track. You hold it left to go to the previous tracks. So if you want to unsure call, you can tap any of the buttons to accept it, but if you wanted to reject the call, you have to hold it and you triple tap it to access it. So we'll try that out, guys. We'll see if it works. It'll triple tap it. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. See, it's not even working. We'll try the other side. 1 2 3. Okay, so the Siri button doesn't work for some reason on this phone, on the iPhone. It doesn't also work on the Samsung Galaxy as well. It is very limited on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, or even any Android device to speak for it, because all the Android devices are the same. With the iPhone, you are very limited to it as well. You've only got access to the battery power as well as the charge. You've got limited to the battery power as well as the volume, and that's pretty much it. I mean, that is it's very disappointing, but I mean, what can you expect for £20? That is pretty much it, guys. I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. I think if JOYROOM are watching this, they need to up their quality, even the price as well. I mean, I wouldn't mind paying a bit extra for some quality earphones like the previous ones that I reviewed. They were decent, but I wouldn't recommend these, guys. These are, I mean, you can buy one. I'm not stopping you from buying one, guys. The link is in the description below. But I wouldn't recommend this to anyone that if they want to pay 20 quid, they can. But I mean, the quality of the sound is shocking, absolutely shocking. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, check out the previous reviews that I've done. Check out the review that I did with the power bank, which is here. It's a beautiful device, very powerful. It's also solar powered as well, so it's charging right now, as you can see. Charging due to the sunlight, and it's amazing for hikers, for people that do a lot of road trips. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Take care, stay safe, and always wash your hands.